Hi viewers, welcome to Manimanthan TV. Today we are with Sian Malni sir. Today's topic is RBI Forex strategies and IMF model.
Yes.
Sir, what is this regarding?
See, RBI corrects every reserve bank of a nation. India is having Reserve Bank of India to regulate financial activities, financial market, money market in the country. Maybe rate of interest, method of financing, method of accepting deposits is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. And foreign exchange reserves also the Reserve Bank of India regulates. So according to International Monetary Fund opinion, the Reserve Bank currency management policy is building up foreign exchange reserves. Means the Reserve Bank is concentrating on mobilizing, means building up forex reserves and intervening in the currency market to smoothen volatility, and the domestic approach has better outcomes than that would otherwise have been. Means Reserve Bank foreign exchange management system is strong, better compared to IMF model adopted by the International Monetary Fund. So this RBI is heavily intervened to prevent rupee from crossing 89 mark against the dollar. Means the Reserve Bank of India is trying to regulate the rupee value against US dollar, which is foreign exchange model of foreign exchange transactions. See, what is happening is that for this what we require is we have to increase exports and reduce imports. Means import substitution.
Okay.
Instead of going for imported products, you can use domestic products, and the central government is doing the same thing. Instead of going for imported products, you use Swadeshi. Central government is promoting that. We are having every product in India. Maybe brand popularity may not be there, but the quality is international standards for Indian products. For this purpose, the central government is promoting Swadeshi. So this and for this purpose, what we have to do is increase the productivity, increase the production, and increase the capacity utilization. Capacity utilization is so that the productivity will increase, profitability will increase, and the consumption can help bridge the gap capacity utilization. So this is what is happening is how we can reduce the cost, we can increase the productivity. See, productivity comes with increasing the production with the same quantity, or less consumption of raw material and same product. That is increasing productivity.
Right.
So productivity will increase the profitability. Profitability will increase the profits to investors, and it will give better share to society as well as government. So this will possible with increasing productivity, and inflation also will come down because of high production, high quality. The prices will come down because of reserve production. See, if there is a shortage, the price will increase. If there is surplus, there is no price will come down. If the supply equivalent to demand, the price fluctuation very less. It will not increase much. It will not come down also much. So for this, the policy of repo rate also maintain the same thing, and inflation also from reduced from 3.1% to 2.6%. So majority of suggested that the RBI to continue the target headline inflation. Inflation should be less than 2%. This is what happening. Inflation is coming down like anything, and also the deficit also coming down. Fiscal deficit also coming down, and GST rate, because of GST rate cuts, the demand is increasing, the price is reduced, the demand is increasing, the production is increasing, and because of Swadeshi, import substitution is increasing. Means our demand for foreign exchange reserves is coming down. We are going for domestic products. So this will increase. If the domestic products are demand for increases for domestic products, it will give two or three benefits. It will give employment opportunities. It will give better price to raw material suppliers, and also it will give better economic development. So this, and also is the possibility of future exports also. So all these options will give benefits in the longer run. For this purpose, the Reserve Bank Forex strategy is better than model adopted by the International Monetary Fund, that IMF. So RBI's Forex strategy is making Indian economy strong and viable for Indian commercial activities, especially manufacturing activities.